if you have a Fitbit Versa and it's not reading your heart rate, and when you look at the back, the laser isn't shining light here, then here's how you can get it working again. So first of all, there is a setting under settings, which is a good place for settings to be, that is called heart rate. So if heart rate somehow got turned off, here you can turn it off, which means there'll be no laser, and turn it on, which means there is a laser. So try that first. In my case, that's not the problem. So we're going to go back home. And then from here, we're going to do a hard reset. So this is how you hard reset your device. You hold the left button and then the lower right button, and just hold them in for a bit until you see that. And then you can release. So now it's restarting. So once it's restarted, then we're going to see if there's a laser in the back or not. This is where I'm thinking, should I edit this in post-production or should I show you the real deal? This is the real deal. Okay, come on, wake up there. Alrighty then. Now looking for lasers. Yep, there she blows. The laser is working again. So now if we put her on my wrist. So I was running with this last night and I tried over and over to get the heartbeat and it wasn't showing. Maybe I'm too hairy. Turn on your heart light. There we go. So that's how you fix it. The other way to restart it, if you don't want to push those buttons, or maybe you have one that doesn't have the buttons or whatever, you can go into settings, and somewhere in here there's a way to turn it off. Where is that? Huh, they lied. That's what the manual said, but I don't see it. So just do the top button, bottom right button, hard reset, and then the laser will work again. So I hope that helps. Don't throw it in the garbage. Don't take it back to Target. That'll fix it.